I'm gonna switch this empty room more.
Let's go.
Right.
Oh, okay.
So put this. I got you. Control your breathing.
I can't really see.
Alright, let's go. Come on, there's none here. Hey, I got a child.
It's not a victim.
That's not a big deal. Come
No.
on. Come back. I got you. Got pillows.
Hold up. Come back.
Huh?
Pause. Continue.
What?
Go ahead. You're good.
Anderson, what up? You still sweeping? Look at it. You gotta sweep. Got a couch right here. Alright, I'm going to the right real quick. I'm gonna sweep. Hey, I have an opening right here. Hold on. What? I have an opening back my way. What's up? Hold on, I gotta find back and work the wall. You have the wall? Hey, I have my foot on the wall back here too if you don't find it. Alright, what? You got it? I found the wall, there's nothing behind that couch. Alright. We got some wires right here. Wires? Yeah, get down. Hey, stay back. Alright. Hey, you feel them? They're right here. Hey, see the wires? I don't see them. You feel it. Right here. I got it. No, you got me. Anderson, you gotta relax, kid. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Right here. Grab. Got it. Feel it? Yeah. Go under it. Alright. I'm leaking on my mat. Huh? I'm leaking on my mat. What did you do? Did you drug it? I didn't touch anything.
Trigger bypass.
Yeah, trigger bypass. Alright, Anderson, just relax, alright? You gotta sweep. I'm sweeping. I got a couch right here. I got a couch on this side too. Huh? I got a couch on this side too. Alright, and yeah. Move this couch out a little bit. Alright. And yeah, I'll move this again.
It's gonna be a bitch when you're bringing the guy back this way.
Hey, don't be down my foot too hard. Yeah. I got a wall on my right still. Hey, I got a bed right here. I'm gonna go in real quick.